So hopefully you did your bell work questions. Right here we have 4 minus the 7. The x to the 6 are the same, so you subtract your coefficients. That's why it says negative 3x to the 6. X squared are the same, so we add our coefficients. That's how I get 13. Now when you're multiplying, you actually multiply the numbers, and we're going to add the exponents. So 5 plus 7. So this right here is just using the rule, so we're just adding our exponents right there. So today we're going to add, subtract, and multiply polynomial expressions. So here's your words you're looking for. So when we do this, we're just going to get like terms like what we did in yesterday's lesson. We're combining them. So I'm just going to find the ones that are like each other. So 2x to the cube has nothing like it. So I write that first. And then there's a 3x squared minus 12x squared. So that is going to give me negative 9x squared. And then I got a 4x and then no more. So that's plus 4x. And then negative 7 and a 10. So negative 7 and the 10 would go together. And that will give me a plus 3. So 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 4x plus 3. And then this is a cubic because it's a degree of 2. So it's a cubic. Here, subtraction. So your first thing is you got to distribute that negative to all three terms. So I get a negative 5. Now combine like terms. 8x cubed plus 2x cubed. It gives me 10 of the x cubes. And then a 7x squared, nothing's like it, so minus 7x squared. And then I have the 4x minus 5x is minus 9x. Oh, just kidding, it's a minus x. 4x minus it, minus x. And then my last one is the negative 10, which is nothing like it. Again, it's a power of 3, so we would call this a cubic. All right, when we're multiplying, we're going to multiply it out, kind of like foiling an idea that you multiply 2x to all three of these terms and negative 5 to all three of these terms. So we're going to do multiply, and then we're going to add the exponents. All right, so you multiply the numbers, you add the exponents. So I'm going to go ahead and show the box method here because that usually seems to help you guys. So what I'm going to do is just make a box. Here's a 2x minus 5, and then put these here, 2x cubed, the 4x, and the 1. So I'm just putting all the terms in, then you're going to multiply all the boxes. So multiply these two, so you multiply your numbers, add your exponents. Multiply your numbers, add your exponents. Same thing here, just going to multiply these numbers. And then we're going to add all the ones that are like each other. So this is all of them together. So there's a 6x to the 4th, that's not like anything. I have a minus 15x cubed. I have a plus 8x squared. Now these two boxes are like each other. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize that you guys couldn't see. So these two boxes right here are like each other. So I'm going to have a negative 20x and then a 2x. So it gives me negative 18x and then the minus 5. So let's try it again. So you can make the long way the box 2. I'm just going to go ahead. You can put this in any order. I'm going to put the smaller box on this side. But you could have written a longer box this way too if you wanted. So multiply numbers, add exponents. This is just multiplying numbers, add exponents. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and find the highest. So negative 28x to the 4th is my highest, plus 35x cubed. There's an 8x squared here. These two are like each other, so combine those. And then a negative 15. And sometimes you'll have more than just these that are going to be like each other when you do it.